everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a collective haul today. I have items from scrapbook.com, Office Supply, D-Stash from Crafty Bean here on YouTube, Tina. I have items from Hero Arts and Spellbinders. So let's get started. From scrapbook.com, I purchased for my Empress machines some new plates. Now, I've seen all the videos where people put their plates under, hot water and even them out, but my plates were pretty beat up. So this was not an inexpensive purchase, but it's something that I think will make me happy, getting some new plates to start my next die cutting journey with these new plates. So I'm excited about that. And I also picked up some of the scrapbook.com, what do they call these? Adhesive. The double-sided foam adhesive. This is the small, and then the large, and then I got the line. I think this was a free gift, I want to say. But anyway, I picked up these. Then from Tina here on YouTube, she's Crafty Bean. She, sells all the great D-stashes in the world. So I picked up two Anna Griffin sets here. I picked up Anna Griffin for the boys. It's 396 die cuts, and I'm not sure how many are in here. If some have been used, it couldn't be very many because this is just totally packed with items that you can use to make masculine cards. So very happy to get that. And then I also purchased, this one is called All About Her, and it's 396 die cuts. And when she shared this on her channel, I saw the florals and I thought, pretty sure I can use some of those. So this one appeared that some of the items had been used, but just about how thick it is, there's tons of things in here for me to use. So different pieces for cards for her. And let's move on to Hero Arts. I picked up this really interesting die. It's called Wavy Lines, so I'm very excited about that. When I saw some cards being made using this die, I was very interested in trying to recreate some of those. So this is from Hero Arts and it's called Wavy Lines. Then from Spellbinders, I picked up the die set for the die of the month this month for June. This is the stitch die, and it has these cute little drums and little guitar and really pretty leaves. And what I really was driven to purchase this was the little guitar, and I like the drum too, but so I can't wait to use that. I also picked up from, it's a classic Pooh Baby set, these ribbon and trim. I think these are really pretty, and I can't wait to use them on my cards. I really like I like them all. I won't even say I like one more than the other. I like them all, so got that. And then a new embossing folder, my new love. And this one is musical notes, which is very hard to see, but I will be using this in creating an upcoming card, and I'll share it with you guys. This was called Favorite Song. And then another embossing folder. This is from the June 2026 embossing folder of the month, and it has it has the Hawaiian or tropical look, and it's kind of hard to see, but maybe you can see it a little better on this side. Super excited. I tell you, nothing is getting me more excited than these embossing folders. I am just in love. So now for the haul from Office Supply. So I was watching a Simon Hurley video, and he talked about his stark white cardstock. So that's what initiated this haul. I wanted to get some because it's really hard to find really white crisp paper. I know Nina, it's just Nina Solar White and all the different Ninas, and I have tons of white paper that I've tried, you know, not only just for the thickness, but also for the brightness. So I thought, well, why not? I'll give it a try, and I found it on Office Supply. So I got 2 packs of that, so 20 sheets of that. And then I bought a ton of ephemera. So let me bring that out and show it to you. So let's see. Here's the ephemera. Look at that. It's crazy. So I got this Charmed set, and this is from the Chronicles. And this is by Bo Bunny. Super cute. And Jen Hadfield's Flower Child. It's 50 pieces in this one. Super nice. Another Jen Hadfield, and this one is Puffy Stickers. I love this. I love putting these in my planner. From the Sketchbook by B. Valance, and I've shared many of this collection on my channel the last couple of months. This is 71 pieces, and this is what you get, the Stitch book. From Cedar House, this is 72 pieces of ephemera. This is really, really very eclectic pieces in here. They just all over the place. I love them. Got a boom box and then a buffalo. How often do you see that together? And then we have a perfect match. This is like a wedding, geared toward weddings, but I thought some of the florals in there, I like them. And then camera. And then from Moonlight Magic, excuse me, this 40-piece ephemera. This one has foil pieces. I would love to take all of these out and show them to you, but that would take forever. Beautiful flowers. From Paige Evans, 75-piece set of ephemera. The florals. From Jamel, or Jamel, I think it's Jamel. Reasons to Smile is 75-piece. Kind of whimsical looking. Got balloons in there. Books. Camera must be the theme, because several of these have cameras in them. Flags and Frills. This is like the 4th of July set. It's 65 pieces. I didn't get the paper. I don't know why I didn't get the paper, but I didn't. We have flags and florals and United States. Really pretty. Forever Feels. This is from Maggie Holmes. Love the acetate. The greenery. It looks like that's not popped out all the way, but you can see where you can just pop it out. That's what's included. Dreamed. This is 60 pieces. Got a ticket in there, you can see pretty good. Rainbow. Excuse me. Some tags and a horse. Sometimes it's just funny looking at the combination of things. And then I got this sticker book, Forever Feels. I think I purchased this before, but once again, I'll be using these in most likely in my planner. These are way less expensive than the stickers and things that are geared toward planners. And one last thing that I purchased, or I got to mention, that I got this off of eBay. I needed a new scraper, and so I picked this one up. This is just a no-name, but the little one is what I really needed, and it was so the value just to pick them both up as a pair was perfect for me. And then a couple of other things from Office Supply, kind of all over the place today. There's this Pebbles die set with a strawberry, and then the little strawberry crate or container. It's cute. And then from Jen Hadfield, this Groovy Darling paper clips. So that's it. So this will probably be my last haul for a while. I have lots lots of things that I have to create with. I don't need anything else, so I'm trying to stay away from the Spellbinder site and others. So let me know what you think of the haul below. Do you have some of these items? If you've been shopping at Office Supply, let me know. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. And if you're a current subscriber, thanks for watching. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.